Hi there, welcome back to ESL Trail. In today's video, let's talk about something interesting, that is learning vocabulary. Now, many students have asked me this question. They say that they have problem with learning new vocabulary. Even if they learn new words, they tend to forget them over time. Now, let me tell you how I learn new words and add them to my active vocabulary. Are you ready to learn? Here we go. By the way, active vocabulary is all the words that you use regularly. In this video, let me tell you about what I do to learn new words and what I do to make it part of my active vocabulary. Well, learning new words is a continuous process. It never ends there. We usually come across many words when we read something. In most cases, we can guess the meaning of a new word from the context. So, we don't naturally look up certain words in the dictionary because we don't have to do that. Well, when I find a new word and I think it is interesting, I write it down somewhere, usually either in my journal or on a post-it card like this. When I use post-it card, I paste it on the shelf over my computer, and thus I see it many times throughout the day. Now, this makes me conscious of the word and its meaning. Now, what I do then is try to use it in my class. As a teacher, I feel I am lucky in this way as well. It's because I can use the new word and talk about it with my students. And then, if I have to do a write-up or a letter or something, I try to use it appropriately. Once I do it 3 or 4 times, I need not worry about it because I have already mastered its usage. It has become so natural for me. So the next time I need to use the word, it naturally comes out of my mind. And reviewing new words at regular intervals make you remember them. That's what I do. Once you start using them naturally, it means that they have become part of your active vocabulary, and then they come whenever you need. Now, here is a tip. When you find a new and interesting word, write it down on a piece of paper. If you can't use a post-it card because they are expensive, you can use any piece of paper. And then write the word on it, and then, on the other side of the paper, along with an example, write the sentence there. Now, try to find a situation where you can use this word. Now, if you don't find yourself in an appropriate situation where you can use this word, why don't you try to explain it to somebody, maybe your friend or a family member? That's a good idea, I suppose. I hope these ideas can help you build your vocabulary. If you know any specific method that worked for you, please let me know in the comment section. They might help other people. Thank you very much for watching. See you in my next video.